Hey everyone, this is John from SyncApps, and today we're exploring the latest additions to our integration platform. We've got new exciting features and new ways to save time, so stick with me. First, I'd like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers who shared their feedback with us. If you've been sending us feedback, please continue to do so. Your ideas are the core of our innovation process. With every email or support ticket, you're helping build a better solution for yourself and for our 25,000 subscribers as well. So thank you again. Now, let's dig in. This video is going to be super quick. This month's focus is better data management and better personalization. I'll teach you how to get more out of your data effortlessly. Well, start with syncing Dynamics 365 records from one or more lists to a separate group in MailChimp. Let's say you have one or more potential customers on one or more lists in Dynamics 365, but you figure out they are also the right target for other products. You don't need to add them to MailChimp groups manually, or worse, waste a good selling opportunity. SyncApps can handle that for you seamlessly. Here's how to do it. In step 1 of your setup, you can have this segmentation where you can select specific lists in your Dynamics 365 or even all lists depending on your requirement. As long as that record exists on all the lists, you're good to go. With this quick hack, during the sync, the records that exist on all lists or specific lists will be pulled going into your MailChimp on separate groups. Easy, right? Now, let's look at the reverse process using a different integration. How do you remove records that don't meet certain criteria anymore using MailChimp for Salesforce? If you're having a hard time removing records when they no longer meet certain criteria or when you are trying a different segmentation, this is the hack you need. It also works if you want to remove them automatically to set a new target for your products. In other words, this is a great way to move records from leads to close status. I highly encourage you to experiment with your targeting and segmentation for faster closing. Plus, it's super easy to do this in SyncApps. Here's how. In step 3 of your setup, turn full sync on. You can choose a daily, weekly, or monthly sync depending on your automation requirements. Not bad, right? Rather than switching back and forth between your two systems to check your records manually and remove them, SyncApps can do this in a split second. Tip of the month. For this month's tip of the month, we're highlighting our hot NetSuite feature, segmentation. We've discovered that most of our subscribers loves to use it. If you're not one of them, here's what you're missing out on. With this feature, you can sync specific NetSuite saved searches going with your marketing automation solution. In step 1 of your setup, just tap the drop-down called What Do You Want to Sync? Then choose Specific NetSuite Saved Searches. Once the numeric ID of saved search is set, then all you need to do is input any existing list in constant contact so that during the sync, that specific saved searches will be pulled into that list. You can also name a non-existent constant contact list and it will be automatically created during the next sync. Going extra granular and need better personalization, you've got my respect and our help. With SyncApps, you can filter this saved search even if you have to target a single specific records to sync. This way, you can focus on every specific needs for each of your leads or customers without the hassle of manually emailing them or importing their email addresses. The best part is any changes made on either system will be reflected instantaneously in both places. Need us add more information or a particular contact? Simply use step 5 filter and segmentation. Now you can share that information across departments or keep it in your records for better targeting. That's it for me today. Now it's your turn. Create your setup and connect both systems in a few minutes to save hours each week. Again, this is John, and this is our vlog where we will go through all the latest updates and give you a complete rundown of what's new inside SyncApps. Thank you for being a part of our journey and innovation. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, browse our blog, and follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. All the links are in the video description. See you soon!